Make him stop making the noise.
Okay, here we go.
I like his shirt. It's cute.
I went to Menchie's the other day with Carlo. So good.
Lucky. I like Menchie's.
I swear to God, like Menchie's and Yogurtland are the exact same place.
They probably are. Watch them be owned secretly by the same person.
What?
Watch them secretly be owned by the same person.
Probably.
Frankly, I think you're just getting us lost.
No, I'm not going to get us lost.
Do you know how to get us there?
Yes, I know exactly what it is. I know what Queen Anne Avenue is. Are you taking video of me?
Yes, I'm taking video of you.
Oh my God.
Welcome to my world. Get used to it.
Taking video of me singing.
No, I haven't filmed you singing yet. I think I will, though.
Tired.
You're tired. Oh, how late were you up?
1. After I did like a...
What? Dude, I started making mac and cheese at 1.
Oh, that's good advice, actually.
I was like, I'm hungry. He's just like, make mac and cheese. I'm just like, yes, I'm making mac and cheese.
I love mac and cheese. I don't even have any. I'm really mad.
I wish I had mac and cheese. Actually, I think I do. Oh my God, my dad went to Costco yesterday and got a bunch of mac and cheese.
Yeah.
This is Endorphin Rush. Came with a little warning thing saying it's really hot. Drew's gonna try it. Is it any good?
Oh my God.
How is it?
Only take as much as I did.
How is it?
Or you will die.
Oh my God.
You will actually die.
I'm kind of scared. I don't want to touch it. I'm gonna get my... Oh my God, I'm really scared. How much am I supposed to do?
Just like get your finger on it. Not too much.
Does that look good?
Too much more than that.
No.
Oh, do you like it?
No.
Do it on your index finger.
No.
Oh my God.
Pinky finger.
Don't do nothing.
You know, I don't care. I don't handle hot food very well.
There you go. Now.
A little.
Try more.
No, now it's starting to hurt.
Yeah.
Ah.
God, what they freaking put in this, like crack and like habanero peppers?
Tomato paste, water, pepper extract, vinegar, sugar, molasses, soy sauce, sulfite. Oh my God, it's so burnt.